What's up everybody and welcome to the Phage Reviews YouTube channel. My name is Jordan and today we are taking a look at a pair of in-ear monitors. This is the third pair of in-ear monitors we've had on the channel and I'm pretty stoked about these guys. I'm a huge fan of IEMs and I think they're a great option for people that are looking for some wired earbuds. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for joining us, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Before we take a look at these, I did want to give a shout out to Dalton Keener. He won the giveaway for the Mosant aluminum laptop stand that I gave away last video. Thank you so much for entering, Dalton, and for everyone else that joined the contest and subscribed to the channel. You all make these reviews possible. Today, we're gonna do an unboxing of these in-ear monitors. We're gonna take a look at them and I'm gonna tell you what I think of them. These are the KBEAR OS1 Pros. They're a very affordable set of in-ear monitors. They have a unique look. They come packaged really well, and today we're gonna show you everything about them and I'm gonna tell you my experience with them. Now, before we jump in, if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you become one by the end of the video, but we won't waste any more time talking about that. Let's take a look at these KBEAR OS1 Pros. So right off the bat, the first thing you're gonna notice when you grab these is the unique design of the packaging. It's got this really cool kind of cartoony graphic design with golden letters on the front, and the letters say Opera Factory. Now these are branded as KBEAR and the model is the OS1 Pro. I don't know if Opera Factory is one of their sub-brands or just the specific model of these, not the model number, the OS1 Pro. Regardless, it's a pretty cool logo and the flashy gold color looks really nice. Now the box is well made and they came packaged super sturdy. So I'm gonna pop off the lid here and you're gonna notice that right inside you have the earbuds nestled in some shaped foam there, and it looks really, really good. The presentation is phenomenal. You've got another kind of gold foil logo right here. Now, if we peel off this top, all right, you're gonna notice that the earbud cable, the IEM cable is below the IEMs. It's a nice long braided cable and I love this cable. It's very loose and flexible. The previous earbuds or IEMs that I reviewed, the cable felt a lot cheaper. These are more in line with the KSN earbuds that I've reviewed, or the KZ, I believe, ZSN that I've reviewed in the past. I like the cable on these, and the cable is detachable, which is important with IEMs. So if you ever want to replace it or get a different color or a different style of cable, you can do that very easily. So pulled that out. Also included in the box is going to be your standard accessories, which are more ear tips. It came with 3 different sizes and they were all on this little cardboard card, which I think, again, the presentation is phenomenal. They're frosted ear tips with an orange base underneath. Again, just looks really, really nice. There is a little bit of a user manual / just kind of operating guide. There's really not much on here other than some specs. And I'll read you a few specs that I wrote down that I thought were important. These have 100 dB sensitivity. They have 30 dB of noise reduction. That's passive. They don't have active noise reduction, but just because IEMs fit in your ear so well, they do dampen a lot of the outside noise, which is nice. These have a microphone and a remote built into the cable, so I can show you that here. So if you want to take calls, adjust the volume of your music, you don't have to pull out your phone, which is really nice. They have a unique design, and I wanted to show you that up close a little bit here. On the outside, it's got that same graphic design you saw on the box. It has the gold lettering that says Opera Factory on it. Again, I don't know what that means, but it looks really cool, and it's definitely gonna stand out versus just a plain pair of white or black earbuds or IEMs. So I'm gonna pull those out, and if you've never used in-ear monitors before, what they are is they're headphones or earbuds that are more directed usually towards musicians. They're people that need to have audio on stage to hear themselves play, to hear the band, and more people listen to these casually because they offer a really good amount of clarity, and because of the seal that they form with your ear, they have great noise isolation and a lot of bass response. And we're going to talk about sound quality in a moment, but bass response is something these really excel at. So when you put in-ear monitors in your ear, you're just going to want to, this is the left one, it is labeled left. You just want to tilt the earbud forward so that the loop is facing to the front. You put it in your ear, and as you insert it, you just kind of twist the earbud back and hook the loop over your ear. Same thing on the other side, put the loop forward, put it in your ear, twist, and pull it back. And I can't hear myself speak right now because of the noise cancellation, so I'm actually going to take them out so that I can hear. They feel great in the ears. I wore these for a few extended listening sessions and I didn't feel any fatigue. You can obviously adjust the ear tip to the size that you specifically need so that it doesn't hurt your ears. As far as the inside specs of these, there is a single driver as far as I can tell. It says a graphene driver. If you care about the construction of that, I think most people buying $25 IEMs don't. But because that is a single driver, the clarity may not be as much as, $100 pairs of IEMs. But let's talk about the sound quality. And these are going to be leaps and bounds, in my mind, better than standard, Bluetooth wireless earbuds in the sound quality department. Just being wired already gives them a step up in sound quality. And then the fact that they're IEMs, they're so deep in your ear and that the earbud forms such a firm connection with your ear canal, the bass response is out of this world. The best bass response I've ever had from an earbud. Some people may think it's overbearing. So if you're someone that does not like a bass heavy sound, these may not be for you. Look at some of the other IEMs I've reviewed in the past. But if you're a bass head and you want a lot of low end, these are going to be perfect for that. The mids and highs are nothing to write home about, but they are there. They're not scooped out or unnecessarily shrill, I can speak. And on the whole, it's just kind of a more contour to the low end type of sound. They look good, they feel good, the cable's great, and I definitely can recommend them. So when it comes to choosing IEMs, let me pull those up and give you a little bit kind of a closer look here. Lean over this table, let you look at that. It just looks phenomenal. And just compare what you care about in a sound profile. Lots of bass, a more neutral sound. Do you want, a white cable, a black cable? At this price point, again, sub $30, it's really going to come down to aesthetics because regardless, you're going to get better sound quality than any earbuds you're going to find at that price. So these are the KBEAR OS1 Pros. They say Opera Factory on them. Regardless, if you want to pick up a set, I will include a link down below. I think they're a great purchase. They do not come with a case, which is something that my last IEMs that I reviewed did, but not the end of the world. A lot of us just kind of twist these up and put them in our pocket to carry them around, but maybe they could include a case with future versions. I don't have any cons as far as sound quality or construction for the price, and so they get 2 thumbs up from me. So grab a pair at the link in the description and subscribe. I would love to have you around for all the future tech review videos that I'm going to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.